love of the great buttermilk biscuits.
Not enough rice, honey.
Attacking me.
You seek God. What happened to this girl?
Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for your girl.
After about 4 to 5 minutes, go ahead and remove the potatoes out of the boiling water and set them on top of a napkin or a plate, but have a napkin in it. You're going to pat these dry. Pat them dry. You're going to transfer them into your pan. I've already put some olive oil in my pan. I'm going to put them in the pan. I'm going to lay them down flat. I'm going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on top of the potatoes. I put a little bit of Tony Creole as well. So now I'm going to conveniently lay my onions and sausage on top of the potatoes. Now that I have my onions and sausage on the potatoes, I'm going to put a little bit of American cheese on top of each one, and then some shredded mild cheddar. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of black pepper and parsley flakes on top. And as y'all can see, this makes a lot. Like, this pan is huge. And this is just one potato, y'all. This is just one large potato. So I'm going to put these in the oven. I have the oven preheated for 375. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. They look so good, y'all. All right, y'all, and this is the finished product. This is what they look like. I'm going to put a few on a plate, and I'm going to catch me a movie and just enjoy my little snack. It's your girl, Lovely the Great, and I'll talk to y'all later. And I'm going to get all that cheese that fell off the potato. I'm going to get all that. I love the taste of that cheese. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.